Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add oil to your Volkswagen Passat. First, park your car on a flat surface and let the engine cool down completely for at least 15 minutes. This ensures an accurate oil level reading. Next, gather your supplies: the correct engine oil, a clean funnel, and a rag. Always check your owner's manual for the precise oil specification and recommended viscosity for your specific Passat model. Now let's check your current oil level. Pop the hood and locate the bright yellow dipstick, typically found near the engine block. Pull it out, wipe it completely clean with your rag, and then fully reinsert it until it clicks into place. Remove the dipstick once more and observe the oil level. It should ideally fall between the minimum and maximum marks. If it's below the minimum, you need to add oil. With the oil level low, it's time to add some. Find the oil filler cap on top of the engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol, and twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Place your funnel securely into the opening. Now, slowly pour in about 1/4 of a quart of the correct engine oil. Give the oil a few minutes to drain down into the pan, then reinsert the dipstick and check the level again. Repeat this process until the oil is between the marks. Once the oil level is perfect, securely replace both the oil filler cap and the dipstick. It's crucial to ensure they are tight to prevent leaks. Remember to properly dispose of any used oil or empty containers at an authorized recycling center. Never pour it down the drain. Keeping your Passat's oil at the correct level is vital for engine health. For more great tips and deals, including a link to a fantastic book about money, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.